Costco?
Yeah, no, I'll eat it. Chicken bake. Costco chicken bake.
You're weird.
So tough. Hello everyone, it is Sunday, the sun is shining, it is beautiful outside. Kevin and I have officially finished packing for what, you might ask? Because tomorrow we are leaving to go to Las Vegas for SEMA 2018 and we're so stoked. Look at how stoked he is. He's so stoked.
I'm driving. You always mess with me when I'm driving. I'm paying attention to driving.
So yes, Kevin and I will be at SEMA this coming week. Specifically, on Tuesday and Wednesday, we will actually be at the Bestop booth. Dun, 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 dun. Don't know how obvious that could have been. We've been working with Bestop for the last couple weeks and now officially starting this past Wednesday on their promotion for the Sunrider for hardtop, for the JL and the JKs. Again, that promotion runs all the way through to the end of November. That's November 30th. You can use the promo code LITEBRITE, LITEBRITE, to get an additional bonus gift on top of the $200 off that Bestop is already giving away.
And
being
entered to automatically win into a free giveaway.
Which is the perfect time to let you guys know that Kevin and I, not Bestop, but Kevin and I have decided that everyone who uses, our promotional code to purchase their Sunrider will be entered into an additional giveaway that Kevin and I will be running, and it's just going to be random. At the end of November 30th, once this promotion is fully over, we'll take everyone who used our code and we'll be giving away a surprise to our subscribers. Basically, it's just, again, our way of saying thank you for everything that you guys do. I can't ever stress that enough. We love you guys. This YouTube channel wouldn't be anything without you. I freaking love meeting you guys every time we go traveling, we go on a trail. It's honestly the best part about this whole thing. So Kevin and I, we genuinely do want to continue doing these giveaways and these promotions and getting you guys discounts and basically paying it forward and giving back to you guys at every possible opportunity that we can. So yes, if you're going to use our code, you will be entered automatically to win something extra in about a month or so at the end of this Bestop promotion for Sunrider. And as we get closer to the end, we'll start giving away more and more information as to what exactly you could possibly be winning. But again, Kevin and I will be at the Bestop booth at SEMA on Tuesday and Wednesday. And if any of you guys are going to be at SEMA, we would absolutely love for you to stop by, come say hi. Just shoot us a message on Instagram if you're interested in meeting up. Kevin's Instagram handle is at IBeatMyJL. Mine is XLiteBriteX. And the reason I say to message us on Instagram if you'd like to meet up is because we won't be at the Bestop booth all day long. We're not sure what the phone service is going to be like. Luckily, we have 2 different providers. But yeah, definitely hit us up on either Instagram or Facebook. But we would really love the opportunity to meet as many of you as possible. So again, if you're at SEMA, come say hi.
We won't have our Jeep.
We won't have our Jeep. Our Jeep won't be there. The stepchild will actually be back home in Colorado. It's just going to be Kevin and I. I'm sorry. But yeah, she won't be there. It'll just be us.
Maybe next year. Ours just isn't really clean enough.
Ours isn't cool enough yet.
No, it's
to
cool.
constitute a SEMA build.
It's not clean. And everything at SEMA is like super clean. And pretty.
They don't want to beat the shit JL.
Yeah. So to recap, come say hi at SEMA. We'll leave for Japan on Friday.
Oh yeah, and we do. Again, reminder, Kevin and I will be leaving for Japan first thing Friday morning. And I have, just so you guys know, when you're not, worried, I have pre-filmed a couple of Jeep-related content videos. That way, because I know some of y'all just simply don't like the whole drifting thing, or you might not really enjoy, seeing Japan and other cultures as much as you enjoy the off-roading and all that. So I have pre-filmed some stuff, so there will be Jeep content being released while we are in Japan. In addition to awesome rad drifting stuff, because that's just super cool too. And if you claim that you don't like drifting, but you have yet to watch any of my drifting videos,
or get in one,
you have no right to sit there and say you don't like drifting. You have to watch the videos and then tell me you don't like it. And at that point, then yeah, okay, that's fine. It's your opinion, no big deal. But you have to watch the video before you claim it.
You want to show them a Bestop life hack?
Oh, that's a good idea. Okay, so Kevin and I, speaking of Bestop and the Sunrider promotion, so I forgot to mention like the most important life hack.
We've had the Bestop on here for 7,000 miles.
Yeah,
maybe
give or
8,000 miles now.
A while.
So we definitely have probably the most miles on a new Sunrider out of anybody. And with that, we have found
at least one really important life hack. Maybe not so much for you guys, but definitely for the women out there. So, open the Bestop. I'm gonna let Kevin start driving again so you can see what happens with it open. This is just the Bestop. All the windows are shut. Okay, so you can see my hair starting to go a little weird, right?
probably get annoying, right?
It gets annoying. At least, okay, as a girl, this is annoying to me.
Now
my hair all up in my face. Now watch what happens. You see how my hair like stopped? You see that? Woo! Okay, so life hack for the Sunrider: if you lower your rear windows, just the back windows, about 6 inches or so, keep the front windows up, that airflow is like perfect. I can drive the Jeep with the Sunrider open, enjoying this beautiful, lovely weather. Okay, and he's gonna roll the windows back up. And you can see my hair just going crazy again, right?
Life hack, you're welcome.
Life hack, you're welcome, women and men, if you have longer hair. You know? So yeah, look at that. Boom. Okay. I can't believe I forgot to mention that in the last one
I
because
came up with that. I found that.
Kevin figured that out.
I felt bad for Brittany and her hair. Actually, her hair was sitting there.
It was in
like,
his
in my
face as he was driving. So there you go, you guys. Bestop life hack. The promotion is still running. We will be at SEMA, and I can't freaking wait to meet as many of you as we can. And of course, we are super stoked about taking you along for the ride on our Japan trip. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, please don't forget to ask in the comments. In the meantime, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Last bit, almost forgot. I did want to mention, because a lot of people don't realize this, on YouTube, if you are subscribed, you will not get a notification that we have produced and uploaded a new video unless you hit that bell notification button after you subscribe. So again, like, subscribe, share, sign up for those notifications. That way you guys know the moment we upload a new video. With that said though, we love you guys, and we will see you next time. Bye!
Later, guys. Where do you want to get lunch at?
Chick-fil-A. Let's go Chick-fil-A. That sounds good.
Can't do Chick-fil-A.
It's Sunday, son of a Chick-fil-A. Dude, that's always that is the worst.